Hi guys, in this video we're going to be taking a look at Razer's most affordable mouse. This is the Razer Deathadder Essential White Edition. With prices coming in as low as around €20 or $20 online, the Deathadder Essential is at a price point you don't normally associate with the Razer brand, with many of their other mice costing well over $100. Inside the box, as well as the mouse itself, we find a quick start guide and the usual Razer sticker that's included with all of their products. The mouse itself is all white with the Razer 3-headed snake logo where your palm would naturally sit. The USB plug is embossed with Razer and features their trademark green coloured plug. The cable is about 5 feet long and it's nice and flexible so it doesn't interfere with mouse movement. When you plug the mouse in, the Razer logo and the scroll wheel both light up. There's no RGB lighting on this model, so the lighting is white only. But you can change the brightness, switch between breathing and static lighting, or turn the lighting off completely using Razer's Synapse software for Windows. On the bottom of the mouse we can see Razer's 6400 DPI sensor and the 3 mouse feet, which Razer calls Ultra Slick for smooth movement across a variety of surfaces. You can change the sensitivity of the sensor along with the polling rate in Razer's software. The top surface of the mouse has a smooth matte finish which feels almost rubbery. The sides have a more textured finish, and below that, where your thumb would sit, is this heavily textured area with small raised bumps. The plastic feels high quality and it has a good grip. The scroll wheel is also well placed and it's grippy with nice tactile steps. This being a white mouse where it looks at its best is as part of an all-white or mostly white PC setup. Razer sells several of their mice in a white version, but this is the only one that I know of which is entirely white. Others like the Basilisk V3, the Viper V2, the Viper Ultimate and the Orochi V2 all have black or grey parts. The Deathadder Essential is the only one that's pure white from head to toe. I have medium-sized hands and I found the Deathadder Essential very comfortable to use, with no wrist strain even after several hours of continuous use. But the Deathadder is on the larger side, so if you have small hands, you may be better off going for the Deathadder V2 Mini instead. For most people with medium to large hands though, the size and shape should be just right. As well as the good ergonomics, responsiveness and accuracy are both very good for a mouse at this price. As for the buttons on this mouse, there are 5 in total. In addition to the main left and right buttons, there's a third button under the scroll wheel and 2 more buttons on the left side. If you'd like to hear how they sound, here's a quick sound test of the buttons in use. Overall then, I've been very impressed by this mouse. I love the clean white minimalist design and found it very comfortable to use. One downside is the lack of full RGB, but for me personally I actually prefer the plain white lighting. For gaming on a budget, or if you're just looking for a well designed low cost white mouse for day to day use to go along with your white PC, the Deathadder Essential White Edition is very hard to beat at this price. If you'd like to pick one up or just check on the current price, there'll be a link down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit subscribe. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.